Confused about what to eat when intermittent fasting? Let's make it simple. You already know that intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for weight loss and improving your health. But did you know that the foods you choose to eat during your eating window can make all the difference? Discover the best and worst foods for your fasting routine and how to maximize your results. We're diving deep into the world of food and fasting, and trust me, this is information you won't want to miss. Let's break down why what you eat during your eating window is so crucial to your fasting success. The food choices you make can either enhance or hinder the benefits of intermittent fasting. It's not just about the hours you spend not eating, it's equally about what you consume when you do eat. Your body is a complex machine, and the fuel you provide it with can make a significant difference in how efficiently it operates. When you fast, you're giving your body a break from digestion, which allows it to tap into stored fat for fuel. This process is known as ketosis, where your body switches from burning glucose to burning fat. This metabolic switch is one of the key reasons why intermittent fasting is so effective for weight loss and overall health. By giving your digestive system a rest, you also allow your body to focus on other important functions like cellular repair and detoxification. But here's the thing, if you break your fast with a sugar-loaded donut or a plate of processed carbs, you're going to spike your blood sugar and insulin levels. These types of foods are quickly digested and cause a rapid increase in blood sugar, which in turn triggers a surge of insulin. Insulin is a hormone that helps your body store fat, and when its levels are high, your body is more likely to store the calories you consume as fat rather than burning them for energy. That spike throws your body right back into fat storage mode, basically hitting the brakes on all those awesome fat-burning benefits you worked so hard for during your fast. Not only does this counteract the positive effects of fasting, but it can also lead to energy crashes and increased hunger later on. You might find yourself feeling tired, sluggish, and craving more sugary or high-carb foods, creating a vicious cycle that's hard to break. On the other hand, if you choose foods that stabilize your blood sugar and keep insulin in check, you're going to stay in that fat-burning zone longer and experience all the amazing benefits of intermittent fasting, like increased energy, reduced cravings, and of course weight loss. Foods that are high in fiber, healthy fats, and protein are particularly effective at keeping your blood sugar stable. Think of meals that include a variety of vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These foods not only help you stay full and satisfied, but also provide essential nutrients that support overall health. It's all about making choices that support your body's natural fasting processes. By being mindful of what you eat, you can enhance the benefits of intermittent fasting and make it a sustainable part of your lifestyle. Start by planning your meals ahead of time and focusing on whole, unprocessed foods. Read nutrition labels to avoid hidden sugars and unhealthy fats. And remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also about how you eat. Take the time to enjoy your meals, chew your food thoroughly, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. By doing so, you'll not only improve your fasting results but also your overall relationship with food. Let's talk about what you should be eating during your eating window. When it comes to intermittent fasting, the quality of the food you consume is just as important as the timing. Choosing nutrient-dense foods can make a significant difference in how you feel and how well you stick to your fasting schedule. These are the foods that will fuel your body, keep you feeling satisfied, and optimize your intermittent fasting results. First up, protein. Protein is essential for repairing and building tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting overall health. We're talking lean sources like chicken, which is not only versatile but also packed with essential amino acids. Fish, such as salmon, is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. Eggs are another excellent source of protein and can be prepared in numerous ways to keep your meals interesting. And for those who prefer plant-based options, tofu is a fantastic choice, offering a complete protein profile. Protein helps you maintain muscle mass, which is key for keeping your metabolism revved up. This is especially important during fasting periods when your body might otherwise break down muscle for energy. Next, we need healthy fats. Healthy fats are crucial for brain health, hormone production, and absorbing fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Think avocados, which are loaded with monounsaturated fats that can help reduce bad cholesterol levels. Olive oil is another excellent source of healthy fats and can be used in cooking or as a salad dressing. Nuts, such as almonds and walnuts, provide a good mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Seeds like sunflower and chia seeds are also great additions to your diet, offering a variety of nutrients and antioxidants. These fats provide sustained energy and help you feel full and satisfied, which is super important when you're fasting. They slow down digestion, which helps keep your blood sugar levels stable and prevents energy crashes. Now let's not forget fiber. Load up on veggies, chia seeds, and whole grains. Fiber is essential for digestive health, helping to keep things moving smoothly through your digestive tract. Fiber helps regulate your digestion and keeps those cravings at bay. It also helps you feel full longer, which can be particularly beneficial when you're trying to stick to your fasting schedule. And of course, hydration is key. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and can help you manage hunger and cravings during fasting periods. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water, herbal teas, which can be soothing and provide additional health benefits without adding calories, or even bone broth throughout the day. Bone broth is not only hydrating but also rich in minerals and collagen, which can support joint health and digestion. By focusing on these nutrient-dense foods, you can make the most of your eating window and support your overall health and wellness during intermittent fasting. Now let's talk about the party fouls of intermittent fasting, the foods you definitely want to avoid or limit. These are the foods that can spike your blood sugar, mess with your insulin levels, and basically undo all that hard work you put into your fast. First up, sugary drinks. Soda, juice, sweetened coffee drinks. They're all loaded with sugar and will send your blood sugar on a roller coaster ride. Next, refined carbs like white bread, pasta, and pastries. These guys digest quickly, leading to those dreaded blood sugar spikes and energy crashes. And of course, processed foods. They're often packed with unhealthy fats, sugars, and artificial ingredients that your body just doesn't know what to do with. Beginners and women, listen up. If you're new to intermittent fasting, ease into it with simple, easy-to-digest meals. Start with things like eggs, cooked vegetables, and small portions of healthy fats. As your body adjusts, you can start incorporating more variety. And ladies, pay attention. When it comes to intermittent fasting, balancing your hormones is key. Focus on nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, berries, and lean proteins. These foods provide the building blocks for healthy hormone production and can help keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. A day in the life of intermittent fasting. Let's walk through a sample day of eating on a 16-8 intermittent fasting plan. This plan is one of the most popular methods of intermittent fasting, and it's easy to see why. It's simple, flexible, and can fit into almost any lifestyle. This means you fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour eating window. During the fasting period, you abstain from consuming any calories, but you can still drink water, coffee, or tea without sugar or cream. Let's say your eating window is from noon to 8 p.m. This is a common choice because it allows you to have lunch and dinner at regular times, making it easier to stick to the plan. You break your fast at noon with a protein-packed smoothie. This first meal is crucial as it sets the tone for the rest of your eating window. Think spinach, almond butter, berries, and a scoop of protein powder. These ingredients provide a balanced mix of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates to fuel your body. Around 3 p.m., you have your second meal, grilled salmon with quinoa and steamed vegetables. This meal is rich in protein and fiber, which helps keep you full and satisfied. If you need a little something later on, a handful of almonds or some Greek yogurt with berries will do the trick. These snacks are nutritious and can help curb any hunger pangs until your next meal. Remember, this is just an example, so feel free to adjust the timing and meals based on your own preferences and schedule. The key to successful intermittent fasting is finding a routine that works for you and sticking with it. Planning your meals ahead of time can make it easier to stay on track and ensure you're getting the nutrients you need. During your fasting period, staying hydrated is essential. Drinking plenty of water can help you feel full and reduce the temptation to snack. Herbal teas and black coffee are also great options to keep you going without breaking your fast. Incorporating light exercise into your routine can also be beneficial. Activities like walking, yoga, or light stretching can help boost your energy levels and improve your overall well-being. Getting enough sleep is another crucial aspect of intermittent fasting. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. A well-rested body is better equipped to handle the challenges of fasting and maintain a healthy metabolism. Finally, don't forget to take time for yourself. Whether it's reading a book, meditating, or simply relaxing, self-care is an important part of any healthy lifestyle. Intermittent fasting is not just about when you eat, but also about how you take care of your body and mind. By following these guidelines, you can make intermittent fasting a sustainable and enjoyable part of your daily routine. Remember, the goal is to find a balance that works for you and helps you feel your best. Now it's your turn. So, there you have it, guys. What are your go-to meals and snacks during your eating window? Share your favorites in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome health and nutrition tips. I'll see you in the next video. You got this. When it comes to intermittent fasting, remember, it's not just about when you eat, but what you eat. By making smart food choices, you can supercharge your results and take your health to the next level. So ditch the processed junk and embrace whole, nutrient-dense foods that will fuel your body and help you thrive. You got this.